If you find yourself wondering what beverages to pair with your holiday spread, but you don't have any experience, you have come to the right place. That was me years ago. My name is Tiffany, and I am so excited to have you here in my tasting room. In this video, we are going to cover some beverage pairings to go with some common appetizers, and then we'll dive into beverage pairings of some popular entrees. And lastly, we'll cover how your side dishes can influence those beverage pairings. And make sure you stick around until the end, because I also have an elegant holiday meal plan in a box, and it's only available for a limited time. So stick around until the end so you don't miss out on that. All right, let's get started. So some common holiday appetizers are typically shrimp cocktail and pigs in a blanket. So with shrimp cocktail, it's going to come down to your cocktail sauce. Shrimp as a seafood often pairs well with your white, crisp wines. But with that cocktail sauce, you need to take into consideration, is it a sweeter cocktail sauce, or is it a little spicy and have a bit of a kick to it? Depending on your flavor choices of that cocktail sauce, you're still going to want to go with a crisp white wine. If you are going more on the sweeter side of the sauce, a Riesling is going to be an excellent choice to pair with that shrimp cocktail. And if you are looking more of the spicy cocktail sauce, add a little bit of a chili kick to it, a Sauvignon Blanc is going to be an excellent choice to pair with that shrimp cocktail appetizer. Now, sometimes we also want to serve beer with our holiday parties, not just the wine. So regardless of what sauce you're going to be serving, if it's that sweet or spicy cocktail sauce, a crisp lager or a Kolsch is going to pair perfectly with that shrimp cocktail. Whether you go the wine route or the beer route, you want to have something light, crisp, and little hints of citrus to really bring out the flavors of that seafood and accent either the sweetness or the spice of that cocktail sauce. So pigs in a blanket is another popular choice for a holiday appetizer. Now, with that meaty hot dog that you have inside of that crescent roll, you want to have a bold wine or a nice caramelized beer to go along with those pigs in a blanket. So great wine choice would be a Pinotage or a Marquette. Both of these wines are going to be very bold and be very fruit forward, but also have that little bit of semi-sweetness dry factor that is going to not only complement the pigs in a blanket, but be just as bold, so that way one doesn't overpower the other. And for a beer option to pair with the pigs in a blanket, I'd recommend going with an amber ale. The caramel flavors of that amber are going to be just as bold as the wine would be to, again, complement the pigs in a blanket so one doesn't overpower the other. So before we dive into our entree beverage pairings, I want to hear from you. What is your favorite part of a holiday spread? Do you enjoy the appetizers? Do you have a favorite entree, side dish, or a dessert? Leave it in the comments below. So let's dive into beverage pairings with those popular entrees. Glazed ham is a very common one for any holiday get-together. And so with your ham, some popular wine choices, again, just like with the shrimp cocktail, you're going to want something crisp and light in flavor. So I'd recommend doing a Chardonnay or a Pinot Grigio. Both of these are going to be on the drier side and have light citrus and honey notes, which are going to pair perfectly with that glazed ham, especially if it's a honey or maple-based glaze that you have on that ham. And going the beer route, a great choice would be a Kolsch, again, to highlight those citrus notes. That is going to be crisp and clean to pair very well with that glazed ham. Another great option would be a wheat beer. These are popular to find whether you want to go domestic route or a craft beer route, and would be a great option to complement your appetizer as well if you're looking for just one style. Prime rib is another popular choice for those entrees when it comes to holiday get-togethers. Get your fancy cut of meat for that super fancy celebration. Being a red meat, red wines are going to pair the best with that. So with your prime rib, you are going to want to get either a bottle of Cabernet Sauvignon or a bottle of Merlot. Both of these are going to have very fruity, semi-sweet notes with little hints of licorice and spices that are going to really complement that prime rib. And again, if you're wanting to go the beer route, an amber ale is going to pair perfectly with that prime rib. Again, with those caramel notes and a little bit of spice. Now, another excellent choice to pair with that prime rib would be a winter spiced ale. And these are all over the place when it comes to those winter holidays. The spices are not only going to accent that prime rib, but it's going to make you feel all warm and toasty inside with those hints of cinnamon and nutmeg. A perfect choice for any winter holiday. All right, so before we dive into how those side dishes can influence these beverage pairings, I want to remind you to hit that subscribe button because I'm dropping videos like this every week and I would hate for you to miss out on the next one. So when it comes to side dishes, you really want to keep those in mind because depending on those flavors, they can greatly influence the beverage pairings. So for example, if you have a side dish such as garlic mashed potatoes, some butter and herb pasta, or any other garlic, onion flavored vegetables, you really want to have a semi-sweet white or a crisp lager to pair with those. So even if you have those garlic mashed potatoes with your prime rib, having those side dishes, you're going to want to go the white wine route versus the red. So that is going to have a more well-rounded experience and balance the meal together versus just highlighting that main entree. If you have more herbal type side dishes, such as some herb flavored sweet potatoes, roasted squash, or some stuffing on the side, you're going to want to go after a semi-sweet red or a spiced ale. So similar to that winter spiced ale that we had talked about with the prime rib, that's also going to pair perfectly with your herbal sweet potatoes, your herb roasted squash, and stuffing. So given those, if you want to go the route of just having to purchase one bottle of wine and one type of beer, definitely consider those side dishes that you're going to pair with the entree to make sure that they all fit together. So that way you only have to worry about a couple choices versus something all across the spectrum. And last, looking at those sweeter side dishes, so these are going to be more of the fruit salads, then you're going to want a sweeter wine, which is typically super jammy in flavors and more of the sweet versus the semi-sweet. So these would be a dry rosé or a Pinot Noir would be excellent choices to pair with your sweeter side dishes. And those sweeter side dishes would also complement a glazed ham very well, just like the herbal side dishes would pair perfectly with that prime rib. Now, last but not least, I have a super limited holiday meal plan in a box to make everything easier for you. So, what I have here is Taste Buds by Pampered Chef as a holiday meal kit. So literally everything you need, aside from the food, is in this box. So check this out. We have got a meal plan already set out for you. So you have got an appetizer, an entree, 2 side dishes, a dessert, and a cocktail already laid out All of the recipes come in here for each of those courses. You're also going to get 4 spice packets that are used in these recipes and a festive holiday scraper. So all of this for one flat price. If you are ready to grab this box, check out my website in the description below and grab yours before it's gone, because it is only available for a limited time while supplies last until December 31st, 2021. And if you are ready to increase the elegance at your future gatherings, be sure to join my tasting room community. Again, link is in the description below, so that way you can stay up to date on all things beverage pairings and all things kitchen. Have a great day.